Bamboo is a renewable resource that has become one of the most important alternatives to tropical hardwoods in recent years. Upon seeing bamboo flooring, kitchen cabinets, and cutting boards, you might wonder how round hollow bamboo stems are processed into solid bamboo lumber. It is important to note that engineered bamboo can be divided into two main groups: laminated bamboo and stained open bamboo. This technology helps us to fulfill the future demands of wood so that the trees in the green environment can be saved as mankind saved. In this way, the existence of the earth may be long-lasting. Now let's introduce that how turns rounded bamboo into wood panels. The total process divided into 13 steps. The first step is the bamboo harvest. Moso bamboo is the bamboo species of choice for production of engineered bamboo panels. The Chinese bamboo is known as the hardest bamboo species in the world and grows on average up to 20 meters tall and 10 centimeters in diameter. Bamboo poles with an average diameter of 9 centimeters are selected for the production of engineered bamboo products. These are cut into lengths of 250 centimeters. Then, the bamboo poles are placed in a special machine which converts them into rough bamboo slats. The poles are pushed through a metal splitter until the entire stem is cut into slats. The bamboo slats are initially still very irregular in shape and structure. To eliminate their green outer layer and internal nodes, the slats are planted in the dimensions of 22 by 6 mm. To protect bamboo from future insect attacks or fungi, the slats are boiled in hydrogen peroxide for ±7 hours. This treatment has the added advantage that it bleaches the strips, which results in a uniform natural color. Optionally, bamboo strips are carbonized in a high-pressure tank for several hours. The combination of heat and pressure releases natural starch in bamboo strips, which gives it a typical brown caramel color. After the boiling or carbonizing treatment, bamboo strips are dried in a kiln about 5 days until they reach a moisture content of approximately 8 to 10%. Once dry, the bamboo strips are sanded to their final 20 by 5 mm dimensions. After the bamboo strips have been treated, dried and sanded, they are checked one last time on color and quality before being processed into panels. As mentioned earlier, bamboo strips can be glued together either horizontally or vertically. In a plant-pressed panel, the bamboo strips are pressed together facing up. This results in a one play where the pattern and characteristics of the bamboo nodes are clearly visible. Plain pressed bamboo plywood has a thickness of 5 mm. In order to make thicker panels, different layers are glued together. In a side-pressed panel, the bamboo strips are pressed together vertically. This results in a one play where the pattern and characteristics of the bamboo nodes are not clearly visible. Side-pressed bamboo plywood has a thickness of 20 mm. In order to make thicker panels or beams, several layers are glued together. A band saw is used to convert 20 mm side pressed plywood into thinner panels. This way, the individual sheets can be used to build 3, 5, 7 or 9 plain bamboo panels. Standing is the final step in the production process to accomplish a perfectly flat, smooth surface. And finally, all bamboo panels are checked on last time for production plows during packaging.